If you want to find and manage sounds and vibration settings on the Samsung Galaxy A27, then all you have to do is you need to find settings on your phone. You want to open this, and then over here we have sounds and vibration. In here we have a couple of different options, all related to either sounds or of course vibrations. For example, here at the top we can choose if you want to use the ringer, if you want to use the vibrate mode, or if you want to silence your phone. You can also change the ringtone for both SIMs. And the same can be done with the notification sound. Here we can find system sounds, which we can easily toggle or even change. And we have the volume section where we can change the volume for all of these different things in here. We have also vibration section where we can change the call vibration and notification vibration. We can also find system vibration settings, so you can find the vibration feedback, which we can also toggle, and vibration intensity for system vibrations. In sound quality and effects, you can find, for example, the Dolby Atmos option, which is available if you have headphones connected or Bluetooth headsets. And we can also find the equalizer over here, so you can change EQ on your smartphone. We have loudness normalization, app sound settings over here, and also the adapt sound feature, which allows you to simply adapt the sound to your needs in case you need to, of course, use such a thing. And the UHQ upscaler, which is available if you have headphones connected, and the separate app sound section as well. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.